Do you know you can make this game in just 3 minutes? Today, I'll show you how to make a Find the Cheese game in Scratch. In this game, you can draw your own path using the pen tool, and the little beetle will follow the path to find its cheese. It's super fun to play and really easy to make. So First, let's add the cheese sprite. We'll use this to draw the path that the beetle will follow. Next, we need to add the pen extension so we can draw on the screen. When the green flag is clicked, let's do the initial setup for the pen. Set the pen color, set the pen size, and make sure the pen is up so it doesn't draw right away. Now, use a repeat until block this loop will let us draw the path. Inside the loop, make the cheese follow the mouse pointer. If the mouse is clicked, put the pen down to draw. If not, pen up so it stops drawing. Keep drawing your path until you press the space key. That's when we'll stop the drawing. Now let's add our beetle sprite. It's the little explorer that will follow the path to find the cheese. When the green flag is clicked, we'll first set the beetle's starting position and make it point to the right. Next, when the space key is pressed, that signals the beetle to start moving. We'll set its starting position again, then use a repeat until block. Inside the loop, make the beetle move one step at a time. Now, here comes the smart part. We'll use the beetle's antenna colors to guide it along the path. If the left antenna touches the white line, the beetle should turn slightly right. If the right antenna touches the white line, it should turn slightly left. This makes it follow the path you drew perfectly. Finally, if the beetle touches the cheese, we'll broadcast a new message called Found. That means our beetle has found the cheese. Now let's make a success screen to celebrate when the beetle finds the cheese. We upload a new sprite, and in it, we type the words, "I found the cheese." When the green flag is clicked, we'll hide this screen so it doesn't show at the start of the game. Then, when we receive the message "Found," we'll show this sprite. That's our signal that the beetle successfully reached the cheese. And that's it. We just made a fun little game where the beetle finds its cheese. You can try drawing different paths and make it more fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.